Afternoon traders, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Thursday, October 15th, 2020. Yesterday, I mentioned that there was weakness in the market and it continued. Well, it followed through to today, but not really a broad sell off. You had certain sectors that did well and other sectors that did poorly. Today was just buy the dip completely. Just looking at this chart here, just it dipped a little, but kept on buying. The bulls was in control today. The bulls were in control. Um, for the majority of the day, they bought this dip. Will we see another sell off today? Sell off tomorrow? Who knows? Because in the market, there's sectors that did well and other sectors that did poorly. Tech really got hit today. You had other things like Zoom that you can look at that did phenomenal. Came in weak, but just bust out the seams today. Yesterday had some weakness in Zoom, but today, oh man, this is one of the high flyers. If you bought any calls on this one, you did well. If you bought it early, I'm positioning myself for a little pullback tomorrow in Zoom because a lot of time it goes back and forth, back and forth. You can see this week, take out 5, like this day it did pretty well, then sold off, and today it pulled back right above the where the market expected it to move for the entire week. It's above this area. Let's see if it'll pull back in, for a little give a little bit back into the market tomorrow. All of this was an upgrade, ridiculous. But you take what the market gives to you. If you're intraday, it's all calls. A little pullback in the end, but afterwards just it ripped. You got to take your profits as they come. And looking at the SPY, it was very choppy in and out of these calls and puts. You really have to know where to buy, especially even the calls. You know, especially if the market's going up, you want to buy your calls and take your profits along the way because it's very choppy. And I can show you on here. A lot of times you think the market's going to go higher and it comes right back and wipes you out and goes up, then comes back down. You have to know when to take your profits. Nothing is guaranteed to you. Even the profit that you may see, that green that you see, take it. 10, 20%, I'm elated. It should be that should be something that you should strive for. Even sometimes even left 8%. You try to cover your commissions. Cover your commissions. That's where you're taking profits. If you see you're taking a loss, cut it quickly. Okay? Make sure you take it quickly and don't let your losers become even larger than it should be. Have points, have area where your exits. It's not working for you, out. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for listening. And once again, this is only for entertainment and educational purposes. See you guys tomorrow.